So I'm sure you like pie, and I like pie, and everybody likes pie. So today we're gonna be making a pie. But not just any pie. Today's pie is going to be inspired by the pie from Stephen King's film Thinner.
I want to get rid of the curse. First, you got to give it to this pie. Then, you give this pie with the curse inside to somebody else.
So first off, I'm gonna make the filling. So I got my strawberries. Oh, it's a strawberry pie. Probably should say that. And we've got our cornstarch, and we've got the most important ingredient, which you'd think it was the strawberries, but it's not. It's the sugar. I like sugar. So let's go make the filling. Okay, so we're gonna take the strawberries. Oh, they smell so nice. And we're gonna put them in our pot. And this may not have been enough strawberries, but we're gonna work with it because this is what we got. So I'm gonna turn it to medium low because that's what I cook pretty much everything on. Okay, so we got our strawberries in here. It's just gonna be a small pie. We're just gonna have like a little, like a small amount of filling, but that's fine. So we're gonna put it on the heat. So we're heating up our strawberries. They're getting all warm. Yeah, this is not enough strawberries. This is definitely not enough strawberries. So let's add a little bit of water. Yeah, to kind of make more of a syrup. So we got our nifty little measuring spoons right here. Measuring spoons. The strawberries are kind of boiling. I'm gonna open this over the sink. And we're gonna add our sugar and our cornstarch because I think it's time. I think we're just gonna do it. I'm not following exactly a recipe. Oh, like you couldn't tell. I'm gonna say we're gonna use a half a cup of sugar. Okay. That'll be fine. That's fine. We got our sugar in here. We're just gonna let this marry together for a little bit. Okay, the boil went away. The sugar shouldn't have affected it that much. Come on now. So it's a little soupy right now. This is what happens when you try to wing it. Baking is kind of an exact science. So right now the mixture is extremely watery. So we're just gonna let it like reduce down a little bit first before we put in the cornstarch. We're just gonna thicken it up. We're gonna put on a brave face.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It's gonna taste good, yeah. I hope so. Oh my goodness, it's like there's just more and more water. We're gonna thicken it up. We're gonna try to thicken it up. Let's whip out this cornstarch. I have never worked with cornstarch before. We're gonna put in like a tablespoon and a half and see where that gets us. We're gonna do a teaspoon and then half a teaspoon. Hopefully that works. Let's stir it up. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's upset. Okay, let's take it off the heat for a second. Oh. No. The cornstarch just got hard. Oh no. This is not, that's not how, no, that's not good. I don't know, maybe it's thickening up a little. Yeah. Need the chunks to go away. I'm getting discouraged. I do not want to pick out all of these chunks.
One eternity later.
I was able to get most of them out. There's still like a few little ones, but this really I don't think this is enough filling. So maybe I'm gonna make like little, mini thinner pies. We'll see how that works out. These are the pie crusts that I got. So I just took one of them and I kind of used the dough to make little pies. And I was only able to make 3, but this one I really like a lot. You do have to poke holes in pies. I know this. so they can breathe. So I thought it's only appropriate that we do it thinner style. And what I mean by that is, that was not as dramatic as I wanted it to be. Boom! So this one is going to be the coolest one to do, so I thought, let's do it. And we're going to cook them, see how it comes out. Hopefully they're cute.
12 o'clock midnight.
Yeah. This one came out pretty good. I mean, in comparison, I guess. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing me make these pies and struggle making these pies. I tried one of the pies, the one that looked the worst, and it barely came out of the muffin tray, but it tasted amazing. They taste good, they may not look perfect. They're definitely not what I set out to make. I think considering everything, I sorta did it. I made little thinner pies. All right, well, see you next time.
Die clean, white man from town. Die clean.